This is a major step today, the announcement, and I have to say there is a real buzz in this auditorium. It is with great pleasure that I introduce our Deputy Premier, Jarrod Bleijie. Deputy Premier.
And without any further ado, I announce your new manufacturing hub, some 200 metres from here, is named ENTRI, ENTRI, for Enabling Translation. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
ENTRI is about removing barriers to Queensland and Australian small and medium enterprises that need support to manufacture products to GMP and ISO standards for clinical trials.
It is an Australian first.
The uniqueness about the facility is it's tenant-led manufacturing in the GMP space. We let them focus on manufacturing. We wrap around them and really help them make that journey easier and break down those barriers to entry for getting products into the clinic.
That barrier to entry thing, I think, is really, why I like the name. But I think that's the key aspect here. That's why it's really different to anything else we build or anything else in Australia, really. I think it's super exciting and sort of speaks to our ability to build the whole industry as well.
There's a lot of interest in the facility.